You are about to give birth to something magnificent. Don't you abort this because this thing is God sent. And don't you try to induce your labor, it will come when it's meant. Enjoy the growth and carry this thing full term. Use this manual, it will help you learn. Galatians 5:22 and 23 gives you all kinds of nutritious fruits. Ephesians 6:11 through 18 tells you what to wear to make this thing a success. No one said this thing would be easy. The most pain comes closer to delivery. The devil will do anything to make this a stillborn. That's when you deliver your offspring and it's not alive, because he knows if you deliver, the nations will survive. Every trap he tries to set to make them fail. But it's time we go ahead. It's time for labor. Close your eyes, take 10 breaths, and pray for favor, because you're about to be ready to push. And before I let you go, keep your face out that nursery window. Everybody's babies don't look the same. Before I sit down, that was the poem. But before I sit down, I listen to Christian rap. I don't know how many people are against that. But I listen to Christian rap. And there was this one line in this song that stood out throughout this whole song, and I just kept repeating it in my head. He said, a lot of people want to be saved, but not from their sin, but from the consequence. Yeah. And that was just, that just really